Okay, today we are reviewing the grease box, which is a replacement for our old grease trap. We've caught over 60 rats this past year, and I think it's contributing to the exposed grease trap because we don't leave food out here. So we're gonna open this, do an unboxing and a review, and then install it. This is the GXU unit, which is specific to my Recteq grill. Comes in a nice box, very clean. Should match the black finish. And here we go. Comes with a sticker. And that's basically it. Screws. Once it's attached, it'll look like that. And it has a nice insert that's washable and rubber. So you can just dump that out and wash it with the grease. To be continued. Grease box is installed right here. Took about 20 minutes. It's you can adjust the leveling on it. It comes with a level. I didn't use a level, I just eyeballed it, but you can adjust it to your grill specifically. There's a lock on it. This lock you can put on the front or the back. So if you want the handle facing out, which I'm gonna try for now, you can do that, or you can have the handle on the inside where it's harder for like a kid to grab, and do it that way as well. So it's interchangeable and it's leveling and it's pretty, it took about 20 minutes, very easy. I used number 2 Phillips bit, number 3 Phillips bit, and I took off the bit and I used the hex on the bit holder. I used a box cutter to open the box, and that was it. Didn't have to use a level, didn't need instructions, very straightforward. Replaced the old grease catch, and then these are the inserts that are washable, reusable, replaceable, but much more easy to use and keep clean. And yeah, that's it. I recommend it. I'm not gonna grill on it tonight, but it's a very straightforward concept. I know it's gonna work, so looking forward to using it.